Okay, so the injector we just rebuilt is now attached to the pop tester and ready to be pop tested. So let's get it on. Alright, so we'll pump it up. And we'll watch for the spray pattern. Okay, we'll do a burst. Finds full open pressure. Okay, it's right on spec. Now we should test leak down. Okay, there are no drips coming from the injector. It holds pressure. It even chatters. Makes me very happy. Another successful rebuild. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps everybody who is considering rebuilding injectors for an older Mercedes diesel. Thanks.